Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2008 Ford F350 LARIAT long bed. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you can see, I'm getting both angles for you so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has the two-tone paint, the tow mirrors, the rear tinted windows, the running boards. Has a toolbox in back with the rack there, backup sensors, tow pack, Bedliner. So it has some WeatherTech floor mats. Great add on any vehicle if you ask me. Get down here on tire size here in just a moment. Again, I just want to get the condition of the outside here for you. Sorry about the glare from the sun. I shouldn't be apologizing for the glare from the sun, but it doesn't make the video walk arounds easy. Let's just put it that way. Hopefully we can get tire size in here. It looks like brand new tires all the way around. Beautiful truck, just beautiful. It's one of my favorite Fords for sure. King Ranch is up there as well, but as you can see, fog lights. Let's get to the inside condition and features. This is the heated mirrors as well, but power windows, power locks, power folding mirrors, power seat. Let's get the condition of the leather. The leather's in fantastic condition. No rips, tear stains. Third seat in the front row, so if you need a seat 6, you're able. Passenger seat here, the best I can. Yeah, just a really clean truck. Back seat here for you real quick. The power slider. Again, just in great condition. Let's get some features up front here. Try to block the glare the best I can for you. The steering wheel controls. The 4-wheel drive, the pedal adjusters, the factory tow assist. Factory stereo, heated seats. So beautiful. Let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. If I can find the latch here. It's generally on this side. I may be missing it altogether. Sorry about that, guys. Probably should have done this before did the walk around. What do you think? Oh, it's staring right at me. Oh, there it is. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things. You know, but I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, Google review. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. And that's huge for me, and that's huge for us. Let's try to block that glare, get the odometer in there. The driver door is ajar. Sorry about that, guy. The glare isn't helping here. But as you can see, 115,000 on it. Not bad by any stretch for a diesel, baby miles. Let's turn on some lights and we'll go back to the engine here. Burn along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helps answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.